Sai Ram students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn fifth chapter, Evolution of Mankind, EVS 2 History Part 4. Already we have done the three parts. So now let's take a short recap of the previous session. From Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens, the skilled human Homo erectus, Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens. We have done this. Now we are going to learn Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. So students, let's start. Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the human as their capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. This means, students, the name given to the human as their capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens is Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, next. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also develop further with time. This means, students, then further with time, the capacity of Homo sapiens sapiens brain and grasping power also developed. Okay. Means, students, we the modern humans are Homo sapiens sapiens. This means we are the modern humans, Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, now the next, the appearance and health characteristics of human beings indicates their similarity to their ancestors, this known as heredity. This means, students, the health characteristics of human beings indicates their similarities to their ancestors and appearance is known as heredity. Okay, now the next, genetics is a science that studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. This means a science that studies heredity is called genetics, and we have inherited, means received, some characteristics of the Neanderthal man has been shown by genetic research. Okay. Next. Thus, it can be said that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern humans. So students, thus it can be said that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both are ancestors of the modern humans. Okay. Now the next point, around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. This means, students, the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals was developed around 11,000 to 10,000 BC by Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay. Now the next. Because of their well developed capacity to think, the speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. This means, students, the speed at which they improved technology increased with time because of their well developed capacity to think. Okay. Now the next, they began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains in the field. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. This means students, they began to live a more settled life and to grow food grains in the field, so the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. Okay. Now the next, the changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generation. This means students, it affected the appearance of humans by the changed lifestyle and diet. Okay. So their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generation. Okay. Now the next. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical prowess. This means, students, the name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical prowess, means physical ability or physical skill. Okay, now the next. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Okay, means necessarily their basic need for food must be met by all animals. So, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Okay, through their efforts to enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture and continue to develop it. This means human beings acquired a culture and continue to develop through their efforts to enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligence, and skills. Okay. Now the next, the technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. Okay. This means, students, because of the modern technology and cultural progress done by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domesticating of animals, means keeping animals for their own use, has been very quick. Okay. The history of evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages. So students, we can divide the history of evolution of humans that was began from apes. Okay. Now what we have learned today, we have learned Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. And now we are going to do a small activity. Fill in the blank. First, Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the dash as their capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. And the answer is humans. So, Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the humans as their capacity to think develop even further than that of Homo sapiens. Okay. Now the next, the change dash and diet affected the appearance of humans. And the answer will be yes, lifestyle. The change lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. Okay, that's all for today, students. And for this lesson already I have given you the activity video, and that I have explained you the activity. The activity was prepare a chart to show the progress of man at the various stages. So you are going to stick or draw pictures from the textbook and write the information of various stages of man, means from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens. Okay, and this lesson is for your project, and only objectives will be there from the lesson. So the lesson videos you have to go through, and the textbook you have to read. So Sairam, thank you.